Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kriga. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of a Vedix customized Ayurvedic hair kit. So basically Vedix is an Ayurvedic brand that creates hair care kit based on your hair problems. So my kit will be different from yours because my every hair type is different, every person has different problems. Before getting this product, they will be giving you a questionnaire, guys, in which they'll be asking you all the problems of your hair, skin and body, and when you fill this questionnaire, they will be creating a kit according to your own needs. So it's really great because every person has different problems. Even though if we have the same hair type, the internal problems will be different from person to person, right? So this kit really works well because it's customized especially for each and every problem and each and every person. So once we finish the quiz or else the questionnaire that they provide, the doctors, the Ayurvedic doctors that work with this brand will come to know about the dosha problems that our body is facing, and they'll come to know about the root cause of our hair problems, and by knowing that root cause, they'll be creating this kit through which we can solve our hair issues. Coming to the kit, we will be receiving 3 products. So the first product is a Vedix Hair Regrowth Serum. So the serum is, again, it's different for different people. So mine is Hair Regrowth Serum, and on the packaging they have mentioned the complete ingredient list and how much of the single ingredient is included in this product, and also they have mentioned manufacturing date, expiry date and MRP of this product, and directions to use as well as instructions and everything, which is really so clear. And the serum, when it comes to this serum, it's so good, you guys. I seriously, this is my favorite product out of the 3 products. So this has a watery like consistency. I'll be including the clips in which you can see these products clearly. So it has this watery like consistency, and I'm using this hair serum daily, like seriously daily, because it's non-greasy and it gets absorbed into the scalp really quickly, and the smell of this product is so good that I love Ayurvedic products and Ayurvedic smell, and this product smell is so good, and it's even creating some sort of cooling sensation on my scalp when I apply it on my scalp. So yeah, I'm using it daily. So this is the first product, that is the Hair Regrowth Serum. And this has a lot of Ayurvedic ingredients, guys, like Nimba, Tulasi, Datura. They have used the entire ingredient list is filled with only Ayurvedic ingredients. There are no chemicals or parabens or anything used in these products, which are really healthy. They are really good for our hair. And the next product is this is Anti Hair Fall Oil. So one product is serum, the next one is oil, and the last one is a shampoo. So this oil, again, it's not too sticky. You can use it daily if you want to. I'm not using it daily, but what I'm doing is I'm applying it a day before I shampoo my hair, and I'm applying it at morning itself because again I love the smell of this oil, and again it's non-sticky. It's not too sticky, but at the same time it's not like watery like consistency. It's in between. What they mentioned is we have to use it alternate day for the first 3 months, and after that apply twice a week for maintenance. So what I'm doing is I'm just applying it before shampooing, so that it's okay. It's really working well on my skin as well. Again, they have mentioned the complete ingredient list and how much amount of each ingredient goes into this product. And so the last product is Anti Hair Fall Shampoo. I am facing a lot of hair fall issues and also dandruff issues, so I got this shampoo according to my own dosha levels. So again, this shampoo smell is great, and it's really mild on our hair, and it lathers really well, and oh my god, it improves the texture of your skin. Like seriously, it's so good. I'll include a picture of my hair before using this kit, guys. Like maybe 1 month ago, my hair lost all the texture. It just became so frizzy and rough, and now my hair is so good. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but my hair is so soft, so shiny. It's actually so shiny. I didn't apply any oil on my hair, but it's really giving that, this shampoo and this whole kit is giving that natural shine to my hair, which is great. And yeah, again, you can use it every alternate day, or you can use it even daily as well, because this shampoo is really mild on your scalp, and again, it removed all my visible flakes as well. I mean, I have dandruff and there are visible flakes on my scalp, but after using that shampoo, even my visible flakes are gone. So this is the kit, like the 3 products that we get in the kit. And coming to my personal experience, I seriously love this product. I love this kit and love this entire thought of this brand, as that, you know, like creating customized kit for each and every person, which is seriously so good. And yeah, I'll definitely recommend this product to you guys. I love this one, and I'll seriously continue using these products because it reduced my hair fall. Like seriously, I mean, I have used a lot of products till now, and I'm using a lot for my video purposes as well, but I have never seen any product or any brand that worked really quickly on my hair as well, because some products take some time to work on my hair and my skin, but this kit, it really worked like a magic. Within 2 weeks, I'm seeing a lot of difference in my hair. Like my hair texture changed from the first usage itself. So I'm so glad, because I was so scared because my hair is so frizzy and everything. So yes, that's all for today's video. I'll be definitely recommending it to you guys, and I'll be repurchasing it again as well. So yeah, I'll be seeing you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye, sunshines.